In the modern world of construction, skyscrapers and pipelines like complex structures, how technology helps them to construct with safety and at the same time cost and time saving. Catch the trend of tech they use to save time and cost.
Engineers and doctoral fellows at Seagull Systems analyze from construction to the crucial operation and maintenance period for functionality at various duty load conditions and ensure structure performances with 3D simulation, computational analysis. You get easy approvals from the authorities quickly. Quick approvals. Made easy now. Get your quotation. +91 7373787744. Vinesachsalem@yahoo.com. www.seagull.itgo.com